So welcome to EXPO TV. Now, Jean-Luc, you spoke on the panel today. You discussed, it's a well-attended panel as well. You discussed the changes in the satellite industry. Satellites, of course, in great demand, and production times for manufacturers are getting shorter. How did that discussion go?
Oh, it went very well. The panel was attended both by satellite operators as well as manufacturers and by NASA. So we discussed the various ways to shorten the production cycle to bring satellite back into orbit much faster than we're doing today.
And as a satellite operator, how do you experience that shift in demand yourselves, and how do you see that being dealt with over the coming decade?
Yes, I think a lot of the demand we're seeing is mobility. People want ubiquitous coverage. They want to be connected all the time, everywhere they are. So that starts with connecting when you're on your flight. You want to connect to the internet, cruises, maritime, anything that is mobility. That's where the demand is these days.
And the Internet of Things, that's having an impact as well on satellite operators, isn't it?
That's correct. Internet of Things is the next big customer application, and that's coming up with the new satellites we're developing and going to be launching soon.
So which technologies, for example, software-defined satellites and flexible payloads, are really interesting for you as operators?
I think the ultimate goal is to get to software-defined satellites. That would be a satellite that would be pre-built, sitting on the ground, and when you have a customer demand, you'll just pick the satellite up, launch it, and then configure it in orbit. You have to be able to configure the coverage in orbit, the power you want over a given coverage, the connectivity between different coverage, as well as the frequency. But that's the ultimate goal, software-defined satellites.
Jean-Luc, thank you for your insight.
You're welcome.